I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your iPhone now. This protects your data if a beta misbehaves. Next, sign in with the Apple ID tied to the beta program because your device must be authorized. Once done, download and install the beta configuration profile from the Apple developer site or the public beta program. This profile tells your iPhone to receive pre-release builds. Make sure to reboot after installing the profile so Settings recognizes the new update channel. Now open Settings and go straight to General, Software Update where the beta appears. This is the critical step to fetch the build. Tap Download and Install, and make sure you're on Wi-Fi and the battery is above 50% or plugged in, because installation requires power and stable connectivity. You'll be asked to accept Apple's terms and enter your passcode. After that, the update downloads and prepares automatically. Stay patient while the progress bar moves. Network speed affects timing. When the download finishes, tap Install Now and let your iPhone restart. You'll see the Apple logo and a status bar during installation. After it boots, go to Settings, General, About to confirm the beta version and build number so you know you're on the right release. If the install hangs or the phone becomes unstable, make sure to force restart first. If problems persist, remove the beta profile and restore from your backup to return to a stable public release. That troubleshooting step solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.